Dear all, welcome to this Best for Soil online workshop. My name is Marianne Thorsted and I'm project participant from Denmark and leader of this workshop. Both I and the whole team behind the workshop are looking forward to these 2 days, which is being held in 5 different languages and has participants from many different countries. We look forward to showing you interesting presentations from speakers who have practical experience with or have conducted research on topics related to soil health and soil-based diseases of plants. The Best for Soil project is an EU project focused on the prevention and control of soil-borne diseases and promoting the exchange of knowledge and practical experience of these topics. At the workshop, we would therefore encourage you all to share your experiences, to contribute actively and give us your opinion on the topics covered. In addition, we would also like to ask for your opinions on the materials produced by the project, found on the project website. If you want to know more about the project and have not yet had a chance, then I encourage you to visit the project website bestforsoil.eu. I hope you have fun and enjoy the workshop, and please remember to give us your feedback. Now we'll move on to the sessions divided into 5 different languages, so please now I'll give the word to the local facilitators.